Okay, having a look at an example here about reducing balance loans. Now, this I am tailoring to my grade 12 general maths class who are working on unit 4. And so it is specific to that unit. And we are looking at chapter 8 in our textbook. So that may relate to topics that you're looking at, but is specifically for 12 general maths and unit 4 and chapter 8 that we're looking at reducing balance loans. I'm specifically looking at how to complete a repayment schedule table. So in this case, I've got a loan of $10,000, regular payments of $1,000 per year, and the interest of 4% per annum compounding yearly. So for starters, I'm going to change that 4% to 0.04. And so whatever my amount is, that's what I'm going to multiply by. My payments are going to be the same each year. So at the start, we haven't made any payments. In the first, then we get to year 1, we've made a payment of $1,000, $1,000, $1,000. Our interest, however, is going to change depending what our amount is. So in the first year, we've got 10,000. We're going to times it by 0.04. And we're going to get $400. So then when we work out our amount at the end of our principal reduction here, we have paid $1,000, but the interest is $400. So overall, we're going to go down $600. So we'll get our $10,000 and we'll take away the $600 and we get $9,400. Then when we do our interest for the next year, we need to do 4% of that new number. So we're going to do that 9,400 times 0.04, which gives us 376. That means our principal reduction then is going to be 1,000, take away 376, and we get 624. So you can see as our amount is going down, our principal reduction is going up. Each time our interest is going down. So then overall we've got our 9,400 and we're taking away 624 and we get 8,776. Then the last row that we've got here, I'm now doing my interest based on the 8,776. So I'm multiplying that by 0.04. So I get 351.04. So then my principal reduction is going to be the 1,000, take away that interest. So I get 648.96. So you can see my principal reduction has increased again. So then I will do the 8,776, take away the 648.96, and I'll get 8,127.04. So after the 3 years, at the end of the 3 years, we still have $8,127.04 left to repay. So we can see how much it's gone down in that time. Now, if you were doing your recurrence relation, you would have put your 10,000 and then you would have stored it on your calculator and then you would have multiplied by 1.04 because we've got our 4% that we're adding onto it, and then we're taking away the $1,000. And then you can press enter and keep repeating that and you'll get these numbers down the side there. So 10,000, and then we're multiplying by 1.04, take away the 1,000 and we get the 9,400. On the scientific calculators, you can do this as well. See how we get our 8,776 when we press enter again. Pressing enter again gives us our 8,127.04. So this process works exactly the same on the green scientific calculators. So when we get into the next exercise, we'll look at using a formula to do this. So far we've done the recurrence relation version and the table version. Hope that was helpful for your reducing balance loans.